This Quick Links page, found on the sidebar, is accessible to anybody and does not require the user to be logged in to view it. The purpose of this page is to give you a landing page for VBR links that you could hand out to all your participants and have them easily find and get Learning Community credits. This page will also be updated as new options become available. An example usage of this page might be that you are a physician and you need something to do to get Learning Community credit. Maybe your PO admin sends you this link and you open it up. You read the list of tasks in green that you can do to get Learning Community credit, and you decide that watching a recording and taking a quiz seems like the best option for you. You click the link, watch a YouTube video, and then take a follow-up quiz to get your VBR. Feel free to share this link with all of your participating practices and physicians, and hopefully it will help them achieve their VBR more easily.